So guys, in this video I want to talk about the most important principle of interior design and teach you about dividing the space of your home. This design project you see here I did it myself for the Master Designer package. It's fourth project, which we did from 0 to 100. Let's talk on about the discussion of dividing the space of the house and see how many categories it is divided into. I'm going to go ups and hide the ceiling. Well, guys, this is our home space. And according to the AutoCAD plan that we had, we imported it into this software. Well, as you can see, this part on the right is the private space of this plan. What does it mean that you specified this? It means that the rooms and bathroom are placed in a private space. So if he put a room here, he would put a room here, and he would put a room here. This was completely wrong because the private space would be scattered. We, as interior designer, we cannot tamper with this anymore. This is the first space we have in the house. But I divide the whole house into 3 parts. One space is the private space, and this part is the space. There is a public area that is specifically for receiving guests. And I have placed this public area here. You can see this part. I put a public space and another part, a family space, which includes the living room and the kitchen. This family space, it's neither private nor public. It's a semi-private, semi-public space. Now, the best method I've used is this, meaning the public space is at farthest point. It's a private space and doesn't have enough visibility. What happened here means our public space has no visibility at all. That is, if a guest come here, there is no view of this private space. And we can enter through the front door and enter the bedrooms without the guest seeing us or having a direct view of the bedroom. So the best situation is to see our family space, which includes the living room and now our kitchen. Public and private spaces should be placed. And that's why I put the TV here. Why? Because the first step is to divide the spaces and define the family space here. So the reason I didn't put the TV here, put it on this wall, is because this space is the best space for living room. This is one of the most important interior design point.